Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you how the technical aspects of the Easy-Stow PIR and the installation of the Easy-Stow PIR in the rear of a minivan will work and will look for you if you were to purchase one of our systems. So let's have a look. This is the rear of a Honda Odyssey. Okay, but many of these are very similar, so this will give you a rough idea of what the product is and how it works. Okay, number one, it's a battery operated system, so it does not modify the electrical system of your vehicle. And the great part about the Easy-Stow PIR is that it is essentially removable, so you have a very lightweight unit here, minimal to no modification to your vehicle. So this is a mounting system that is shared with the multi-lift mounting system. The multi-lift is a lift system to lift people into the rear and also mobility devices into the rear, also made by Access Unlimited. And again, it shares this mounting system, but the Easy-Stow, of course, is made just to lift wheelchairs. So one thing you'll notice here is that we do not modify anything. There's no holes drilled in the vehicle. We're actually using all factory holes. All the engineering has been done by Access Unlimited to help you avoid modifying or mutilating your vehicle. This is a factory Honda sill plate supplied by Access Unlimited. So if later on you decided you don't want to have the lift or you want to transfer it to another vehicle, you simply pop off your old panel, pop off the panel that we supplied, put your old panel back in, and you've got a completely unmodified vehicle. Perfect if you decide that you want to do a lease vehicle where there's a lot of restrictions, or if you're like me and you just don't want to have a vehicle that you do have to drill holes in. So let's take a look at the system and how it works. So this is the lift itself, very, very lightweight, battery operated, rechargeable inside of the vehicle or through AC inside. You're looking at about 35 cycles at 230-pound wheelchair to go up and down, and less if it's a heavier chair, and maybe a little bit more if it's a regular weight, if it's a lower weight wheelchair. These belts are meant to keep the wheelchair from rolling around and also to stabilize the lift. They are not meant as a wheelchair tie down. They're only to keep the wheelchair from rolling around. Do not use it as a wheelchair tie down, or don't put a person in it. That's not what it's meant for. Okay, so here we've got the seats, okay, and we've got normal operation of the seat. You can do everything that you could before, so all of those features that you paid for in the vehicle, stow and go seats, etc., that's all still fully operational. So I can deploy the seats. You can also put the wheelchair in the well here if the wheelchair is of an appropriate size. So that's really good. So let's take a look and see how we created the structure to give you all this functionality. We've connected into the factory seat bolt here. Okay, all of this is custom made, molded to the shape of the vehicle. Very, very strong system. No modification to the trim panel here or anything like that. And again, no holes drilled. We use all existing holes. Keep your vehicle intact. There's a support structure that goes all the way across here. That's what secures your belts and also makes the lift as strong as it is. So that is that's the system here. Access Unlimited Easy-Stow. And again, we offer this for probably, I think we have about maybe 15 to 20 minivans in different years and ranges and things like that. But we also have SUVs, so lots and lots of different options here, all based on the Easy-Stow. There's also the multi-lift system if you also wanted to use the lift in other environments to be able to lift a person into and out of the vehicle, or even in other environments such as RVs, swimming pools, houses. That's a different system, but the same mounting system, the PIR system. Thank you so much for watching our video and learning more about the technical side of this product, the Easy-Stow PIR. Do check out the notes field down below to get more links to videos that are going to give you a better education on this product and what it can do for you. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited and our philosophy of providing mobility in the way that you want, the vehicle that you want, with the mobility device that you want, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at @accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Okay, and you can also go to our YouTube channel with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com, or also give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, country code 1, the United States, Eastern Standard Time. You can also call us evenings and weekends. You got a busy schedule, that's no problem. Anytime up until 11 p.m., evenings and weekends, 615-873-0518. Thank you again for contacting us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.